Here we go.
How's your nose doing? Good?
What happened?
I bite my nose.
Finn bite your nose? Yes, we have a biter.
I do it for
And
my...
he has claimed his first victim. That cute little nose.
That's not blood, that's jam.
Yeah, he did a number there. Oh, you did. Stinker.
Ta-da!
That was you. That's vicious.
Mommy,
Look at that vicious being.
Mommy, send this kind of what I'll say.
Good morning from Austria.
Again, yeah, we've kind of just been hanging out, riding the Austrian-German border for the last couple weeks, I guess. Yeah, just soaking up that mountain life.
Yep.
Soaking it in.
We didn't know it was so incredibly beautiful. We took the most beautiful drive down here from Germany, and yeah, we just couldn't believe how beautiful it was.
Yeah. Why doesn't anyone tell you? Germany.
Yeah,
Like,
it's amazing.
well, at least the sliver that we've seen is like rivaling New Zealand, I would say.
For sure.
Super beautiful. This is the New Zealand of Europe. Maybe. We're here down in the Zillertal area for about a week or so. And it's been kind of cloudy and cool the last few days, today included, so we are trying to find something to do indoors. And I think we found something. Where are we?
We at the water slide place.
So the plan was to go to this like thermal spa thing. It's like a huge indoor pool, water slides, a whole big complex, which looks awesome. But I think it's a German holiday and it looks insanely full. So Rick and Winston are gonna go inside and see if there's even room. If it even makes sense for us to go right now. And yeah, we'll see. To be honest, I'm not gonna be too sad if it's full, because Rick and I have been eating nothing but donaires and pizza and McDonald's for weeks, and I have no desire to be in a bagel room.
Hey, this room.
There's room?
Yeah.
Oh, goody. Okay.
You excited?
Yeah. A little bit. What?
Yeah, a little bit. Let's go down this one now. Come. Come. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'd like to dedicate this video to all the moms back in my hometown who desperately need an indoor pool. This would change our lives forever. There's a huge adventure pool, they call it. Part of it's an outdoor pool. There's a toddler play area, a wave pool, 2 awesome water slides.
It's good.
And that's, I mean, you can pay for the sauna, you can pay for
I think there's even massages.
Tanning beds.
Yeah.
There's so much stuff here. It's really cool. And the water is so warm.
All right, Winston. Was that fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Spinning.
The spinning in the water slide. Yeah, that was my favorite part too. I know it's been a few days again since we uploaded. We were going to upload 2 days ago. So we made a visit to the Neuschwanstein Castle. Okay, so that is the Neuschwanstein Castle, and that is where we're going. We were going to make a video about it, but we couldn't film in the castle, and so we didn't really have much to put together for a video. Another thing is, when we have a bit more of a routine, it makes it a lot easier to upload. When we were in Germany, we were kind of jumping around like 4 days at a time, and the last place was even like just 3 days. And so not much of a routine when you're traveling like that, but now that we're here for a week straight, it'll be a bit easier to get into a bit of a groove and hopefully keep uploading more consistently. Okay, so we're just prepping some dinner tonight. Schnitzel. Dinner was a smashing success, thanks to this lovely lady. And we're just going to end the evening with a little walk.
That looks great.
And Winston's already on flower duty.
It's a good one.
Yeah, we're kind of staying in like a little, it's basically a little town, nestled in between some mountains. And there's not much in the area, but everything is within a few minute drive. But we did see this cafe that had like a playground attached to it, so
Like a moth to a flame.
we see playground, we go.
Yep.
so we made it to the cafe. That guy said if I just buy a cappuccino, then we can use the playground. So that's exactly what we did. Is it right here? Oh, hello.
Hey, buddy. What's going on? Just hanging out. Winston's watching some videos of his cousins so that he doesn't forget them.
Who's that?
Mary and Owen. Brady.
You are crazy. I'm gonna send this to Auntie Lana. Break. You guys wanna say cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese. Great.
What the?